the Maleny Botanic Gardens and Bird Whirl in the Sunshine Coast.
A little bit of shade to start with.
Ooh!
Oh.
Are native to all over Australia. They're endemic to Australia.
Lots of parrots. Where's the peacock?
It's right there in the middle.
Drop down quickly. What are those? Are those birds? Birds? Yeah, say hi. Hi, bird. Hi.
How are you today? Look, you say hi.
Hey, Brian.
Are you more than welcome to stand in the shade, even if it is crossing over the rock barriers? I'm not going to make you guys stand in the sun as it is quite hot. So some of the species
He's trying to get into the water.
are our conures. So here's a little conure here. This is a pineapple conure. So this is actually a hybrid. You wouldn't normally find him in the wild. And then his friend. So some of the other conure species that we have here in the park. Some of the other conure species. There we go. All right, I'm going to go get some
Hello.
of the birds.
What do I have in my head right now?
Hey.
On each side. Yeah. Oh. Here you go. One's here.
Teddy, where are the birds?
So obviously.
Bird, yeah, it's a bird. Careful. Teddy. Say hi to the sheep. Goat. Can you say goat? Goat. Oh.
It's a goat.
Pig. Let's go see the pig in the front.
Oh, and maybe it's also
Look. That's the pig. What does the pig say? Oink, oink, oink.